What's up, you guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. So I'm going to be showing you a cool trick for how to make custom ringtones without iTunes. Alright, so this will work with any iPhone you currently have. You're going to need the GarageBand app in order to make it happen. And then obviously make sure you have some music already installed on your iPhone. Alright, when you get into here, you're going to want to scroll over to the audio recorder option. So tap this. And then once you get into this option, there's going to be like a little 3-digit icon in the top left-hand corner. You want to tap on this. And once you get into this next section, you just need to add a song you've already got on your iPhone. So let me just go to Files here, Music, and then I'm going to add this instrumental song I've got. So when you've got a song picked out, literally just hold down on it, drag it into the bar right here. And from in this section, you can actually, cut the song and do other things with it if you want to do that. But once you have it all good to your liking, what you want to do is tap this option right here. You want to click My Songs, and then it's going to save it as a file. Now, you've got a couple more steps you got to do. What you want to do is hold down on it, and you want to click the Share option right here. And then you've got these other options right here. What we want to do is switch it into a ringtone. We'll give it a name. We'll just call it New Tone. If I can type here. All right, let's just go LN because it's giving me some problems here. So we're going to call it LN. I'm going to export it. Exporting doesn't take very long. It's usually pretty quick. So, okay, so let's go to our settings now to make sure that it worked. All right, there it is right there. All right, all right. Okay, so this is just a cool way to make some, custom tones without having to use iTunes, and it will work with any iPhone you currently have, and it doesn't take very long to do it all. All right, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. Please hit the like and share. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see y'all later.